welcome back to our channel. In last program, we already seen how to reverse string. Today we will see how to string is palindrome. How to check string is palindrome or not. So firstly, the logic behind the string palindrome is. So I have taken here one string, a DAD. That reverse of this string is same DAD. One more example, Java JAVA. Reverse of this string is AVAJ. That is not an palindrome. One more example, NITIN, Nitin. Reverse of this is also Nitin. So this is a palindrome string. So we will check it by the program. Okay. So here is already we have a program of the reverse string. So here is already we have a program of the reverse string. So firstly, I will execute this program. So I have entered here Techno. Reverse of this string is ONHCET. So I will comment this out because I want to check string is palindrome or not. For checking, I will take here if else. We already know that how if else works. Condition in a if is true, then it will execute the if block, otherwise it will goes to the else. So firstly, my original string is str. I will use equals function of the string class that is used for checking the equality, and I will check equality with the reverse string. If these string are equals, then my string is palindrome. Okay, if the condition is false, then string not an palindrome. So again, save and execute. Okay, now this time I will give example like NAYAN, that is Nayan. Nayan is a palindrome because reverse of this string also same. Again, I will enter one more like Techno. Then Techno is not a palindrome. Okay, we will see another example also like Java. Java is not palindrome because original string and reverse string both are not equal. Then another example, Nitin. Again, Nitin is palindrome because original string and reverse string is the same. Thank you.